Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best automatic litter box on the market, the PetCove self-cleaning litter box with auto safety sensors, designed especially for multiple cats. If you're tired of constantly scooping and dealing with messy, smelly litter boxes, this innovative product might be the game changer you've been waiting for. The PetCove self-cleaning litter box stands out with its advanced safety features, ensuring your cats stay safe while it does all the dirty work. It's equipped with multiple sensors that detect when a cat enters or is inside, automatically pausing the cleaning cycle. This anti-pinch design means no worries about your feline friends getting caught or startled during the cleaning process. Safety is a priority here, which is fantastic for multi-cat households. With a large capacity that can accommodate up to 20-pound cats, this litter box boasts a generous 2.5-gallon roller system that can hold waste for up to 15 days. This means less frequent maintenance for you and more convenience overall. The PetCove unit is compatible with all clumping litters, so you won't have to change your cat's favorite brand to use it. Plus, its sealed design and built-in ozone filtration system work together to keep odors locked in, helping your home stay fresh and pleasant. One of the smartest features of this litter box is the seamless app integration. Using the PetCove app, you can monitor and control the litter box remotely. Whether you want to check if your cats have used the box, track their weight, or set custom cleaning schedules, the app puts control right at your fingertips. This connectivity is compatible with all Wi-Fi types, including 5G, so you'll stay connected wherever you are. This level of smart functionality is perfect for busy pet owners who want peace of mind without the hassle. The design is also user-friendly. Measuring roughly 20 by 20 inches, it fits well in most homes without being overly bulky. Weighing about 16 pounds, it's light enough to move when needed but sturdy enough to handle multiple cats. The material is durable plastic, making it easy to clean thoroughly every few weeks. Installation and setup are straightforward, designed to get you up and running quickly. Once installed, the automatic scooping mechanism ensures a consistently clean litter bed after every use. This not only keeps your cats comfortable but also helps keep messes contained and reduces the risk of tracking litter around your home. What really makes the PetCove litter box stand out is the combination of functionality and innovation. It's not just an automated scoop. It's a full system designed to make your life easier while prioritizing your cat's safety and comfort. The lifetime warranty offered by PetCove also adds a layer of confidence in the product's durability and the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. In summary, the PetCove self-cleaning litter box is a high-tech, smart solution for cat owners who want to reduce the daily chore of cleaning litter boxes while maintaining a clean and odor-free home environment. Its safety features, large capacity, app control, and odor management system make it an excellent choice, especially for households with multiple cats. If you want to upgrade to a smarter, safer, and more convenient way to manage your cat's litter needs, the PetCove self-cleaning litter box is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.